This is a 1970 Chevelle, and I have the honor of detailing it and adding my personal touch of art to it in the process, as well as teaching you guys some different tips and tricks on detailing I guarantee that you never thought of or never heard of before. And I'm going to give you a little bit of family heritage around this time and why this is important to me and my family. Okay guys, today is day 2 on the 1970 Chevelle, and I'm going to go through all the progress we did for day 1. We did all the block sanding, we did most of the buffing on here, and now we're going to move into polishing of the actual vehicle. I'm going to paint everything on it. So I'm going to go through and show you all the progress that I have. Okay, so that paint looks like it's really popping right now, but that's just buffing. We still got to polish and ceramic coat it. Give a nice foam wash. Then we're going to do the engine bay after everything's all nice and dried. And then we're going to get onto the ceramic coating. And it's really, really, really going to make this Chevelle really pop. All right, so I'm going to go through and polish the rest of the vehicle now. Okay guys, polishing is all done, and before I get to the foam wash, I'm going to get through the badge detailing. When I'm talking about the badge detailing, I'm talking about like here on your chrome insignia, right here it says cowl induction. There's SS 502. There's Chevelle on the front, Chevelle on the back. It's got years of buildup of wax and just gunk and stuff built up in there. So I'm going to go through with a steamer, and I'm going to go through and polish these all up also with a little bit of Dawn dishwashing liquid and Barkeeper's Friend. Alright guys, so we got the Chevelle outside. We're going to do a detailed engine wash, and then we're going to foam wash the outside of the entire vehicle, and then dry it, and then do some ceramic coating on it.